What's going on, everyone? Jon Venus here. Welcome back to another video. Today is the day. Today is the main event of the year, the vegfest 2019 here in London. We're super excited. I'm here with Catherine and Noah. So everyone else has already left the house. We're staying with the Viva Life crew in this house. And here is Leo, my brother. He's also here. First time in
3 years or something.
Yeah, first time in 3 years at a vegfest. So super excited about it. Leo's gonna have a talk. I'm not having a talk. I'm gonna have a couple panels. But the main reason for this event is just to meet you guys in person and get to say hi. It's always my favorite part of the year, just to talk one-on-one with you guys. So we're super excited to meet you. Are you ready for it?
I'm ready.
Let's go. It's actually unusually warm here in London. It's like 20 degrees Celsius, which is super rare for this time of the year. Usually when we come to the Veg Fest, we're just freezing to death, so this is amazing. What about you, Noah? Are you excited to meet people? A lot of people are curious to see you in person. Yeah, you're gonna be the star of the show. Leo, since you're a doctor, do you have a fun fact of the day for us?
Yes. Fun fact of the day is that, do you know the strongest muscle in the human body is the tongue?
Are you serious? You're not, right?
It is.
Is it?
Yeah.
So yeah, if you guys are not getting enough from me here on YouTube, make sure to follow me and Catherine on Instagram. Not Leo though, he's not, you know, big enough yet. Okay, we got here. Alright guys, we're finally here at the Viva Life booth. This is gonna be exciting. It's gonna be a long day, 8 hours straight of standing up, giving speeches. I think I have one in 5 minutes that I didn't know about, a panel, so I'm gonna have to run. Alright, see you soon. So if you have a question, raise your hand, and then Tori over here will give you the microphone. So don't be shy, any question is valid. You know, being with a partner who is not supportive of your lifestyle, these things play a massive, massive role. Alright guys, so a panel and a couple interviews later, we are now on the lookout for some food because we're starving right now. Leo, what do you want to eat?
Something very, very, very healthy.
Leo is the biggest buzzkill of all time. He never touches anything with sugar, with salt, with oil. He just eats bananas all day. Alright, so we're approaching the vegan fitness meals booth. So Nimai just started, and his partners Bianca just started Vegan Fitness Meals, which is like a meal prep company, fully vegan, high protein, you know, ready meals, which is amazing. Alright, so Nimai's too busy being famous, so we're gonna turn around and find food somewhere else. Alright, so Catherine is already starstruck. She found the Moo-free chocolate booth. Alright guys, this must be the best name for a milk ever. This is my favorite thing ever. Okay guys, so we're gonna be eating at the Green Grill. This is where I ate last year as well, so we had to come back because it's just amazing. So I'm gonna have 3 burgers for me, Catherine, and Leo. Let's see how it looks. How are you enjoying the event so far, Noah? You having fun? Oh, okay, impatient. Alright, gonna run around. There you go. Are the burgers ready? Here, I'll take one. Oh my god. Thank you. Nice seeing you guys again. Last year I only had the hot dog actually, so this is the first time having the burger. So I'm so excited. I'm so hungry right now. What about you, Leo? Are you excited for this?
Oh yeah, we're totally splurging today.
Oh, this is gonna be so exciting. Oh man, I cannot wait to eat this burger right now. So let's have, I've never tried this burger. You haven't tried this burger either? Nope. You haven't tried this burger? No one has? Ready?
Alright, let's
3,
do this.
2, 1.
Wow.
Oh my god. How crazy is that?
So good.
Wow.
Really juicy.
I'm mind blown. Wow.
You want to try now?
Alright, so I'm rating this 10 out of 10. 100%. You too?
11 out of 10.
Alright guys, just finished a interview with Plant-Based News. So now I'm gonna go down to the booth again. I think we're wrapping up now. I think the event is closing. Yep, and then Catherine's calling me. What up, Catherine? I'll be right down. Alright, see you soon. Man of the hour. Derek is the most famous vegan on the planet officially. Like,
I don't think so.
I had to leave the booth because I was embarrassed how small my queue was. I'm just kidding.
Man,
How was it, man?
it was
Must be
awesome.
tired.
Yeah, a little bit, but it's as you know, it's kind of like it takes a lot of energy, but it also like gives you a lot of energy too. Just hearing everyone's stories and everything like that.
This will bring you up.
Oh yeah, I like that.
I'm like Derek's bad influence with junk food. So.
It doesn't take much.
There he is. What's up?
So since we're at
Having your
vegfest,
first ice cream?
no one needs to get to try some treats as well. So he's having some vegan ice
loving
cream
it.
and he's loving it.
First ice cream ever. Whole new world just opened up for you, huh?
Yeah, right?
Come on guys, you're so slow, let's go. Come on, we're almost late. I'm just kidding. I was actually the one holding everyone up, as always, so yeah. We're all together right now. We're gonna go to the vegfest, day number 2. It's gonna be super exciting. Bye Noah. Have fun. Yeah, see you soon.
So heartbreaking.
Oh, there you are. Whoa.
Once in a lifetime opportunity.
You got to see it in the light?
Yeah. So cool.
What was that car?
It's a Renault Clio Sport V6. It's
Yeah.
amazing.
Derek's a massive car fan.
There's only 1,300 of them made.
It's basically like running into a rare Pokemon. So yeah guys, yesterday was super amazing. I didn't get to film a lot at night, but we went and had pizza and we got to hang out and talk, all of us ambassadors and you know, friends together. It was amazing, such a good time, so many positive vibes, so happy that we're doing this event. Jesus, man. Would you have some beet powder or something?
Don't tell everyone my secret. I'm over there at the house just sucking beets down in the morning. How's my voice? Is it pretty good quality?
Yeah, I mean, it's better than it was this morning, man.
I'm gonna be on the stage and I'm gonna be giving a speech. Someone's gonna be like something about soy boy and I'm gonna be like, I'm not a soy boy.
If you guys are wondering what Simna Nutrition drinks behind the scenes, innocent smoothies.
Yeah, I know. I don't know. We didn't have a blender or anything, so doing what I can. It's pretty cool that they used me for a poster.
Okay guys, so we're now gonna line up to see the man himself. Nimai. It's my turn. Nimai, finally.
Finally, you made it.
I know. Can I have an autograph? My left butt.
Yeah.
A lot of people are wondering why you're not at the Vivo booth this year, man. What's going on?
Yeah, so, well, I'm not at the Vivo booth because we decided to start our own company, a vegan meal delivery service called veganfitnessmeals.com. All the meals are whole food plant-based, no added oil, no sugar, high in protein. Each meal has like 30 to 50 grams of protein, which is unheard of on vegan meal delivery services. The packaging is like what's most exciting to me because it's zero plastic, completely compostable, and we are a carbon neutral company, so we offset our carbon emissions by planting trees, so trying to do things right.
100%.
Just super excited about this. We're just trying to make vegan food as accessible as possible.
And this is only available in London right now, right? Or in the UK?
In the entire UK, and free next day shipping anywhere in the UK.
Amazing. Yeah, so if you guys, I know a lot of you guys enjoy my meal prep videos, so now you guys actually order something similar from Vegan Fitness, which is awesome. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try this sample right now. Really good. So much flavor, spicy, which is amazing. We're at Derek's speech right now.
Hopefully that answers it for you. Yeah, just take the jump.
Bye guys, so finally reunited with the family. Noah's here, Catherine's here. We're enjoying the Green Grill Burger once again today. So...
Thank you.
Nimai is an expert in burgers, so like if he says it's good, it's damn good. Okay guys, so now we are at this place called Weird Dough, which is this deep fried cookie dough place with ice cream. I don't know, I've never had deep fried cookie dough before because that sounds, you know, over the top, but it does sound delicious. So, hi Catherine, this is your first time as well having deep fried cookie dough, right?
Yeah.
What do you think? Alright.
It's good.
Yeah, facial expression says it all.
It's like a super chewy chocolate chip cookie.
My turn. That's good.
You like the ice cream? He loves it.
Yeah.
It's like more.
I mean, he's our son, so of course he loves it. Leo caught eating deep fried cookie dough. Not a real doctor anymore. Alright guys, we're at this ice cream joint right now. Kyle has been going on about this ice cream, so I'm super excited to try. This
girl right
Oh
here.
no, I'm on it. No.
Right here.
Lily's. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
What do you think of the ice cream, Catherine?
Oh, I love it. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Natural
So
ingredients.
good, natural. 100% natural ingredients.
Man, this is gonna be so good. Alright guys, we're wrapping up the Veg Fest right now. We're gonna take the booth down. The only one working is Derek, such a hard worker. He's been the most popular dude in the whole Veg Fest. People lining up to see him, it's amazing. And now it's still going on with interviews and that kind of stuff.
So much.
Oh, thank you, John.
Okay guys, we just arrived to the restaurant that we're gonna meet up at. Genesis, one of our favorite places here in town, in Shoreditch. So we're gonna go in now and meet up with the rest of the group. So you guys, we got a bunch of salads and different dishes that we're all sharing. It's gonna be good. What's up guys, it's the next day. We're at the Vivo house saying goodbye to everyone, meeting each other. So right now, we're just saying goodbye to Maddie and Kyle. And you know, you guys probably seen them around in the vlog, but amazing people. If you haven't checked them out, check out the YouTube channel. This goes for everyone else that I'm gonna mention in a second. Here's Ferdinand, V-Gains Strength. Is it V-Gains or V-Gains Strength on YouTube?
V-Gains.
V-Gains, yeah. Link in the description.
I'm being savage.
Yeah, if you
watch my music video, I'm a rapper now.
Yeah, if you're tired,
cringy.
if you're tired of my inconsistency on YouTube, definitely give him a shot because he uploads every single day. Yeah.
Because I don't have balance, I don't have a child.
Exactly. We got Axel here as well. We've got an amazing workout in the first day.
I'm still sore, man. Like just
Yeah. Axel killed me with squats, and then I went and brought him on my shoulder workout, so it was amazing. Thanks for that, man. It was
Thank
amazing.
you.
So
If you
he
go
also
to
has
Bali,
a-
we
yeah.
do CrossFit together.
I've never done CrossFit in my life, but
Well, then,
I'm down
the
for it.
first time. Yeah?
Yeah, maybe.
No, it's on camera.
Exactly. Paul.
I'm cold. How you doing, brother? I didn't get to chat to you enough because there's so much to do, so busy.
yeah.
So next time out, the extra few days,
Exactly.
let's get in that workout.
100%. Your channel is called Hench Herbivore. What do you do there? Like fitness, nutrition, bodybuilding.
Yeah.
A lot of topic videos, debunking carnivores.
Yeah, mostly swearing and French. I know these days.
Exactly.
Someone's got to do it.
Yeah. So if you wanna some entertainment, go follow Hench as well. Miles, the man that probably most of you guys, or I think Miles is the one ambassador, or you know, the Vivo Life team member that most of you guys probably don't know. Because
or they do know, they just dislike.
no, it's impossible to dislike Miles. So no, but seriously, Miles has one of my favorite YouTube channels, especially topic sit-down videos. I enjoy the hell out of your sit-down videos, man.
Thank you.
So
and I'm only on YouTube because of this guy. I feel like
right.
this whole room is only on YouTube because of this guy.
No, not really.
The OG.
Yeah,
you set the bar so high, and now yeah.
Well, now it's so cool for me to see everyone like blow up and do amazing things, and he's inspired me to do more topic videos as well. So now I'm gonna start making more videos for you guys. So this is because of Miles. So thank you, man. And then the boys, Derek, Brian. You guys have seen them a bunch of times in the videos already. I feel like we all share the same audience. So yeah. So you guys already know where to find them. Amazing, inspirational figures for the vegan health and fitness movement. So make sure to check them out. How's the weekend been for you guys?
Super good,
right?
My voice is gone.
Yeah, me too. A little rough.
I feel good. Appreciate the locks. So beautiful.
Vegan Fabio. I'm ready to stop eating sodium though, for sure. That's what's up, dude.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm craving some big salads.
Yeah, big time.
And ice cream. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna shout out this guy because he doesn't really, deserve it.
Family.
No, not this time, man. You don't deserve
By the
it.
way,
We're blood.
is your mother watching?
Yes, of course she is.
You did a great job.
There you go, Mom.
Oh, yeah.
She loves you already, man. Anyways, so this is it for the Veg Fest vlog, for the first London vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna do any more, but I appreciate you guys hanging out with us. It was amazing. Favorite, time of the year for me. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new around here, and I'll see you very soon. Peace out.